let's fix if your iPhone is charging slowly. Now, if you plug your iPhone in and you come back 10 minutes later, maybe it's only up like 1%, it's charging really slowly. I'm going to walk you through some steps you can take to get that fixed. Now, the first and the easiest thing is most of the time, the reason why any kind of iPhone would be charging really slowly is because of physical, basically, connections and the physical source of the power, all of those different things. So there are a few different things that you can do. Are you using the default Apple charging cable? Are you using the charging block that comes with your iPhone? And what is that being plugged into? So for instance, sometimes if you're plugging your iPhone into a car, sometimes basically the energy output from your car just isn't very fast and it will charge it really slowly. Another thing is if you're using a third-party cable or a third-party block, then potentially they're just not very good. They don't let enough power through to fully charge your iPhone quickly. So that's the first and easiest thing to do is just grab a different cable, plug it into somewhere else, try that to see if that helps charging your iPhone quicker. Now, there are a few software things that we can do. Let's hop into the settings and we'll scroll down until we find battery and tap on that. Now, let's tap on battery health and charging here. Now, there are two key things. One is optimized battery charging will stall charging because basically it doesn't want to charge it past around 80%. It'll get it up to 80% and then it'll really trickle it until it thinks you want to use it. So this is a feature that helps to save battery life. But if you want to fully charge it and you're waiting around, it's not really charging very quickly, you can always toggle that feature off and hit turn off. Now, another one is clean energy charging. Now, this is a new feature that Apple just came out with that will reduce charging your iPhone or potentially not charge it at all during peak times of energy use. So it'll look at the grid around you, wherever you are, and it'll determine when most likely there's clean energy being pumped into your house or wherever you have it plugged in, and it will charge your iPhone when that is the case. But if you turn that off and hit turn off, then it will fully charge no matter what, no matter when you plug it in. If it's peak time, whatever, it will not slow down that charging feature. Now, if you go through all of these steps, you get a new cable, you try different places, you turn these off, then potentially there's a hardware issue with your phone. You might just want to take it into Apple, have them check it out, run some diagnostics, maybe give you a new phone or replace the battery. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.